Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna talk about actually a feature that Toyota Tundra has in the back. It's the most underappreciated feature by Toyota Tundra owners actually. Not people are actually aware of it, many don't even know about it. They take it for granted. They just don't think it's that important, or they think it's not sure why exactly. But let me show you. Let me show you what it is that people don't appreciate that makes the Tundra stand out from the crowd. And Toyota Tundra owners should appreciate it more. So, have you guessed it? What kind of feature Toyota Tundra has it in the back that people don't appreciate? They're actually a standard feature on Toyota Tundra since 2007. Base model or not base model? Let me show you. I removed the tail light so I can show you guys. Look at this. What are you guys seeing? Don't look at that undercoating and H-oil. Look at the assist, the strut. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. You see tailgate assist. It has a built-in from factory a strut that helps you lower and raise your tailgate. It's already built in. Did you guys know that even 2020 pickup trucks don't have tailgate assist, don't have that feature? This strut is a standard feature on Toyota Tundra since 2007. So that's what, 14 years going on, and 2018, 19, 2020 pickup trucks, other brands don't even have it, surprisingly. And I came across recently watching a video, guys selling those struts and installing them somewhere along there, and they break off up there, and it's just a band-aid, you know, they destroy the tailgate and so on. So I'm like, strange. I thought 2020 trucks, yeah, a $50,000 truck did not have it, and a person was installing and showing on YouTube how to install a strut so your tailgate does not drop down quickly. You know, basically dropping it like a brick. Softly lowers and helps closing it. But apparently, even 2020 doesn't even have it. Of course, higher end models, they have that, but you know what I mean. I'm not talking about higher end, I'm talking about base model. Toyota Tundra base model has a strut. Can you imagine this? This is a base model truck. If you follow my channel, this is a 4.6 base model. Even the back window is not even opening, it's a solid glass. So this is the base model as you can get, but it comes standard with this type of feature. So this is the reason why what people this is the reason to appreciate the Tundra even more, because you don't have to spend $50,000 on a truck and go spend a couple, $100 or maybe less on a band-aid that works temporarily and then damages your bed because, well, it's not designed properly as Toyota has designed. You see how thick the bracket that helps lower? Yeah. So we're talking about solid engineering designed to last and not to fail. Truck has 227k miles on it, and it still works. Definitely it's worn out. That's the shock, you know what I mean. Any truck will wear out at that many miles, but the point is, it's a standard. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead, click the subscribe, click the bell. There is more interesting stuff that I'm going to be posting on my channel about Toyota Tundras that people either not aware or don't appreciate, or just plainly, being ignorant, and because it has Toyota name on the truck on it, you know what I mean, being basically biased much. And don't forget to share this video with others. If you have questions, drop me a comment. Maybe you don't drive a Tundra, you have other truck. I know many of you guys on my channel don't drive Tundras, have F-150s and other trucks, you know what I mean. I want to hear your story if your truck has it, because when I had 2013 F-150, it wasn't base model, did not have it. It's surprisingly that I wish it had it, because the tailgate was pretty heavy on that thing. It was not aluminum body, it was not aluminum tailgate, but it would have been nice to have it. And I did not know what's a tailgate assist until I got this Tundra, and I'm like, wow, that's such a nice feature actually. No wonder aftermarket world is out there and trying to copy and come up with their own solution. So I want to thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for being part of my channel. Don't forget to share this video with others, and have a good and awesome day. Even though it's cold outside in my area, but still you gotta enjoy every day you have, because it's what we have.